Alright, so I got a request to have the engine running and the Propex blowing in the back. So this is the show that I'm at idle right now. And the Propex has got my van put back together from the first video. With a new light fixture there. Thank you. And you can see maybe from, I'm in the driver's seat of course, and the Propex is blowing heat right now. Alright, so that's with idle. And then I'm going to put the rear fan on 1. So that's with the Propex and the rear fan. I think this is what John was asking me to do. So now here's the rear fan, Propex, and with the rear fan on 2 and the Propex and the idle. The rear fan on 2 is definitely a little louder than the Propex fan, but I can hear them both. I'd say it's just a tad louder. And now on 3, the rear fan on 3 is way louder than the Propex. So now I've dropped the rear fan down to 2, and I'll turn off the Propex. Well, before I do that, I'll just sit on the bench seat. So the rear fan on 2, the Propex blowing, engine at idle. Now go ahead and turn off the Propex. It'll take a moment for the purge to happen, so the fan will still be blowing. While we're waiting for that, I'll just show off my LED light bar that I ordered from Osmium, thanks to CJ and Company. I put the switch there because I didn't want any wires showing. And here's the Van Cafe LED lights in the stock bulb holder. Just killing time here till the blower turns off. And then here's my dimmer switch for the warm white LED switch from Osmium that I put over the bench seat. There it is on really low setting.